Hi, I am Toufiq, a software developer. Today, I will show you how to turn any web application into single-page application within 2 minutes after using my Jquery plugin. In my demo, I will apply this plugin to a Python Django project. Let's download a sample project. I already downloaded the project from this link. Let's run the project. Let's log in and password is pass1234. The whole browser is refreshing if you click any link or submit any form. Let's submit this form. The browser is refreshing. Now clicking backward and forward button and still refreshing. Let's turn this application into single page application within 2 minutes. Create a folder SPA and copy all necessary files of the plugin and place it inside this folder. Copy toufiq.py file and place along with other .py files. Here, this function will always being called, and this middleware function is responsible to set response header. Let's register this in settings.py file of the project. Now specifying context processor to add variable with the context. Let's specify my custom middleware class. Now specify templates path. Identifying the master page. Here base.html is the master page. Here, if not AJAX request, then master page content will be invoked. If AJAX request, then only body section will be rendered. Wrap block body section with a specific ID. Now place my plugin source file at the end of the body tag. Now call the plugin source inside document ready state. Let's run the project. Now refresh the whole browser to load the plugin. The whole browser is not refreshing if you click any link or submit any form. Submit this form. Only partial portion is updating. Search through song title. Click backward and forward button to ensure. Let's see the final demo. Clicking Viber, don't have access, click register, click here, let's log in, giving the username, the password, pass1234, let's submit. Okay, here is the website, clicking left bar, toggle, here is the left bar, clicking any link, click albums, let's click add album, let's add an album, give title, genre, let's submit, need to provide an image, let's select, let's submit. Here the album already added. Let's click album list. Let's click star icon to select as a favorite. Let's click View Details. Let's click Add New Song. Try to submit. Here is validation error. Let's write title. Need to provide a song. Let's select this song. Let's submit. Song already added. Let's add song through this modal window, giving a title, validation error. Let's select a song, any file you can select. Let's submit, already added. Let's minimize the window, view all. You can select the favorite. Let's delete this song from this list, already deleted. Let's delete again, deleted. Let's see albums. Let's delete this album, deleted. Let's click songs, favorite songs. Let's see all song and playing with the favorite list. Here we can see the favorite already changed. Here is the song. Let's click backward and forward button. Updating as expected. Let's play a song. You can download the song. Let's search the song through the song title. Here is the list of the song. Let's find out exact song. Let's click backward. Let's search. Searching the whole song. Let's log out. Log in again. Pass 1 2 3 4. Submit. Click songs. This is the complete website. Turn Python Django application into single page application by using my Jquery plugin. Why this course? There are several pain points while working with JavaScript framework like AngularJs, React, VueJs, Knockout in a Python Django project in order to create single page application. You don't need to write much JavaScript code to make single page application after using my Jquery plugin. I want to show all developers that how easily we can create single page application using my plugin instead of using JavaScript framework. And developer can also use other JavaScript framework side by side. I hope my creative work will minimize developers' effort. Prerequisite. Developer needs previous working experience with building Python Django application for this course, because I will apply my plugin in a Python Django project. Although this plugin can be used in all other web applications where ASP.NET MVC, Ruby on Rails, Laravel, Spring MVC technology applied. Download a sample Python Django project from this GitHub link. I will turn this application into a SPA application. Developer who don't have previous working experience with Django will need to learn building this application from the documentation or from this video link. I am choosing this application because it is open sourced. To activate the plugin, modify master page. This is the sample code, and add toufiq.py file with other.py files. I'll show you later. And register toufiq.py file definitions in settings.py file of the project. I will show you how easy it is to create single page application and how single page application can improve the performance both on server side and client side. I hope you will enjoy this magic course. I already downloaded the Django project from this GitHub link. You can explore the project here. Let's run this project. Opening the command window. Now type python manage.py run server to run the project. Now copy the link and paste it on browser. Let's log in, and password is pass1234. The whole browser is refreshing if you click any link or submit any form. Let's submit this form. The browser is refreshing. Now clicking backward and forward button and still refreshing. Let's turn this application into single page application. Ctrl C and minimize the command window. Create a folder SPA and copy all necessary files of the plugin and place it inside this folder. Copy toufiq.py file and place along with other.py files. Here, this function will always being called, and this middleware function is responsible to set response header. Let's register this in settings.py file of the project. Now specifying context processor to add variable with the context. Let's specify my custom middleware class. Now specify templates path. Identifying the master page. Here, base.html is the master page. Here, if not AJAX request, then master page content will be invoked. If AJAX request, then only body section will be rendered. Wrap block body section with a specific ID. Now place my plugin source file at the end of the body tag. Now call the plugin source inside document ready state. Let's do the same thing in other master page, which is base_visitor.html file. Let's run the project. Now refresh the whole browser to load the plugin. The whole browser is not refreshing if you click any link or submit any form. Submit this form. Only partial portion is updating. Search through song title. Click backward and forward button to ensure. Let's add left sidebar to make this app look beautiful. I will take the left sidebar code from this link. Let's copy all CSS and create a custom.css file and paste it here. I am commenting this CSS as I don't want padding on main section. Copy CSS source and place the CSS inside header tag. Copy the left bar HTML code and paste inside body tag. Let's copy main section and JavaScript functions. Move this function at the end. Place the toggle button in top navbar and give an ID to hide and show. Wrap entire top navbar and body content inside main section. Now writing JavaScript code to hide and show through the toggle button. Run the project, refresh the browser, specifying navbar brand class in that toggle button. Here is the left navbar and fully functional. Let's replace the links with original links. Copy add album link. Now copying album's link and place it here. Now songs link is placing at the bottom of the left nav bar. Now click any link to fill the look. If I click this star link, then it's not working. It is only working when browser gets full refresh. Now working. But if we come to this page through Ajax, then star link not working. To fix this issue, cut the main.js file from head tag and place it just before the render body section so that it will be called all the time. Let's test everything. If you click star link in any pages, then it's working. If I click logout button, the master page content is not changing. When I try to access other page, I am redirecting to login page as I truly logged out. Let's log in. But master page not changed. Let's apply fifth rules of my plugin to solve this issue for now. Go to login.html file and specify stop Ajax class inside form tag. And specify stop Ajax class inside logout link. Now if I log in, then the whole browser is refreshing and the master page content also changing. If I click logout button, then master page content also changing. Let's test click events. If I click this add new song link, the whole content is refreshing. But I want the content to show at the bottom. Specify Ajax target attribute with selector. Inside, add new song link. Let's create div tag at the end and specify the ID of that Ajax target value. If I click the link, the content is showing below, but we don't want this and this. Let's remove from source file. Remove left section and remove links. Now OK. If I submit this form, then whole content will update. Not updating. Why? Let's specify action URL of form tag. Copy create song URL and paste it. Now if I submit, then the whole content is updating. In next lecture, I will show you how to update only table section. If I submit this form, then I want to update only this table section. Let's achieve this. Create table.html file under music folder. Move the table body section to table.html file. Include the table.html file inside table body. Specify the table body ID as Ajax target value and place it inside form tag. Now, if I submit the form, only table section is updating. Next lecture, I will show you how to append row with this table. If I submit this form, then I want a row to be added with the table. Let's achieve this. Move the loop section from table.html to detail.html file. Go to create underscore song.html and specify eval attribute inside form tag. Let's apply rule 2. Let's implement the function. Here, Ajax target is the table body ID. Now, changing the render template HTML path. Here, song object will map to the song object of table.html file. If I submit this form, then the row will be added. If I click delete button, the content is updating, but I want only one row to delete from the table. Let's achieve this. Go to table.html file. Let's specify eval attribute inside form tag. Copy function parameters. Let's implement the function. Here, if success true, then this object closest table row will be deleted. Copying JSON response code and place it here. The result will go here. If I click delete, then only one row is deleted. By default, Ajax target is render body ID. That's why big loader is showing. Let's specify Ajax target null. If I submit the form now, loader image not pops up. Let's optimize quotes. Here, no need to retrieve album information. No need album ID parameter. Let's update in urls.py file as well. Delete album ID from action URL. Deleting album from context. Let's test everything. Everything is okay. If I click delete link, I want to show confirm alert box. Let's apply third rule. Copy on submit and place it inside form tag. Now implement the function. Copy the function and place it here. Let's see the result. If I click delete link, the confirmation box shows up. Let's implement Bootstrap modal. Go to master page and place Bootstrap modal HTML code. Generate same link of add new song link. Let's apply fourth rule. Copy Ajax target and data target and place it in the new link. Here, Ajax target value matched with modal content ID. If I click new link, then content will show up inside modal window. Let's submit this form. Row added. If I submit this form with empty values, then error pops up and the content is showing inside table. Let's fix this. Go to views.py, find create underscore song, append status inside render while error will occur. Here if status equal to 1, then content will be showed at the bottom div tag ID add song. Let's test this. Let's fix modal. Let's specify parent selector to show that content. Now everything is okay. Let's see the final demo. Clicking Viber, don't have access, click register, click here, let's log in, giving the username, the password, pass1234, let's submit. Okay, here is the website, clicking left bar, toggle, here is the left bar, clicking any link, click albums, let's click add album, let's add a album, give a title, genre, let's submit, need to provide an image, let's select, let's submit. Here the album already added. Let's click album list. Let's click star icon to select as a favorite. Let's click view details. Let's click add new song. Try to submit. Here is validation error. Let's write title. Need to provide a song. Let's select this song. Let's submit. Song already added. Let's add song through this modal window, giving a title, validation error. Let's select a song, any file you can select. Let's submit, already added. Let's minimize the window, view all, you can select the favorite. Let's delete this song from this list, already deleted. Let's delete again, deleted. Let's see albums. Let's delete this album, deleted. Let's click songs, favorite songs. Let's see all song and playing with the favorite list. Here we can see the favorite already changed. Here is the song. Let's click backward and forward button. Updating as expected. Let's play a song. You can download the song. Let's search the song through the song title. Here is the list of the song. Let's find out exact song. Let's click backward. Let's search. Searching the whole song. Let's log out. Log in again. pass1234. Submit. Click songs. This is the complete website. Let's play with first rule of this plugin. Let's specify ID selector inside Ajax target attribute. Ajax response data is showing here. Let's play with class selector. Let's play with attribute selector. Let's play with element selector. Let's specify Ajax target attribute inside form tag. After submitting this form, Ajax response data will be showed here. Let's play with second rule. Bootstrap modal. JavaScript functions. Let's write eval attribute and put the function here. Here and here, hello world text will be showed. Button will be hidden. Modal body content will be filled up with Ajax response data. And Bootstrap model will be showed up. Let's see. Let's write eval attribute and put the function here. After submitting this form, Ajax response data will be showed here. Form fields of section 1 will be hidden. Bootstrap model will be showed. Let's see. Let's play with third rule. Let's write onClick attribute and put the function here. Let's write onSubmit attribute and put the function here. Before submitting this form, the function will be called. Let's play with fourth rule. Here, Bootstrap model. Let's specify model body content as Ajax target selector. Let's specify data target with model selector. Now, Ajax response data will be showed inside model window. Let's play with fifth rule. Let's specify stop Ajax class inside anchor link and inside form tag. The whole browser is refreshing. Hi, I am Toufiq, a software developer. Today, I will show you how to turn any web application into single-page application within 2 minutes after using my Jquery plugin. In my demo, I will apply this plugin to a .NET Core project. Let's download a sample project. I already downloaded the project from this link. Let's run the project. Let's add left navigation bar to this application to look beautiful. After adding sidebar, the application looks like this. Now, if I click any link of this application, you can see that the whole browser is refreshing. Let's submit a form. If I submit any form, the whole browser is still refreshing. Let's click backward and forward button. Results are the same. Let's turn this application into single page application within 2 minutes. First of all, add my Jquery plugin and all necessary files. Then go to layout.cshtml file and add this plugin at the end of the body tag. Now write jQuery code to call the function of this plugin. This ID selector must match with the parent ID of the render body. Let's modify viewStar.cshtml file. Here, if AJAX request, then the content will not be cached on browser. If not AJAX request, then the master page will be invoked. I am done. Let's run the project and enjoy the magic show. Now, if I click any link of the application, you can see that only render body section is updating. Look at the browser URL. It is updating correctly as well. Let's submit a form. If I submit any form, then only render body section is updating. Let's check backward and forward button. This is the documentation of my plugin. Let's apply first rule. Go to students index page. After clicking this create new link, I want to show its content at the bottom of this page. Let's achieve this. Let's write div tag with specific ID selector. Now write AJAX target attribute inside create new link and put the ID selector here. Let's see the demo. Now if I click create new link, the content will be showed below. Let's submit this form. Row already added to this table. Single page application is responsible for reducing load pressure and load time on both server and client side. Let's prove this. Go to instructor page and click select link. Here, entire render body section is updating. But we want only second table to update. Let's achieve this. Split this action method into 3 action methods. Let's create _index1.cshtml and _index2.cshtml file. Let's move second table to the _index1.cshtml file. And third table to _index2.cshtml file. Let's specify AJAX target attribute to the select link button. Done. Let's see the demo. Now if I click select link, only the second table is updating. In this way, we can improve the performance on both server and client side. Let's see the final demo. Go to students page. Let's add a student. Row added. Let's update this row. Row updated. Let's delete this row. Row deleted. Now click Details link. This table shows all courses of the student. Let's add course to this student. Let's remove course. Go to course page. Let's add multiple courses and update multiple rows as well. Let's delete courses. Go to instructor page and play with the select link button. Go to department page. Let's add a department. Let's update the record as well. Let's delete it. Let's see everything in one page. Click Students and Course button. Click Instructor button. Now Department. Let's add a student. Row added. Let's update this row. Row updated. Let's delete this row. Row deleted. Now click Details link. Let's add course to this student. Let's remove course. Go to course page. Let's add multiple courses and update multiple rows as well. Let's delete courses. Play with the select link button. Go to department page. Let's add a department. Let's update the record as well. Let's delete it. Hi, I am Toufiq, a software developer. Today, I will show you how to turn any web application into single-page application within 2 minutes after using my Jquery plugin. In my demo, I will apply this plugin to a Ruby on Rails project. I just downloaded a sample Ruby on Rails project from this link. You can learn this building this application from this YouTube video. Open in Visual Studio Code. Let's run this project. Login. Here is the left sidebar I already added. and let's click account. If I click any link, the whole browser is refreshing. Let's submit this form. Let's submit. The whole browser is refreshing. Let's edit. Let's update this title. Updated. Let's turn this application into single page application within 2 minutes. Let's create a folder SPA under assets folder and explore this folder. Expand SPA folder. Here is my all source files. Let's specify toufiqElahySPA. Let's go to application.css file. toufiqElahySPA.css file will be called from this file. Now go to master page application.html.yaml file. If Ajax request, then we'll do something, and if not Ajax request, then whole portion of this master page will be invoked. Let's scroll down, copy this yield and flash section and paste it in this if condition. Scrolling down, need to call our plugin. When the document is ready, this plugin will be called. Here toufiqElahySPA function already mentioned in the plugin. Let's copy this toufiqElahy ID and paste it here. So yield and flash section is wrapped inside toufiqElahy ID. Let's run the project and enjoy the magic show. Refresh the whole browser to load the plugin. Now, if I click any link, only the partial portion is updating. New pin, pins. Let's click new pin and submit this form. Select a image. Now title, description. Let's submit. Only partial portion is updating. Like this page. Edit. Backward button. Only partial portion is updating. Let's update this pin information. Submit. Already reflected. Let's delete this. Account. Let's check backward and forward button. So only partial portion is updating and rest of the portion is static and is not changing. So it's helpful for faster browsing experience. It will increase the performance. So here I am syncing and everything is fine. Let's see the final demo. Click sign up. Let's click login. Let's click forgot your password. Let's click sign in. Login. Here is the Pinterest. Clicking toggle. Here is my left bar. Click pins. Clicking account. Let's create a pin. Selecting an image. Let's give a title. New pin 1. Let's give a description. Let's submit already created. Let's close this. Let's edit this pin. The form is showing below. Let's update this pin. We are updating the title. Let's submit. Title already updated. Let's click new pin. Here is the modal window. Let's create a pin through modal window. Giving a title, description. Let's create. Already created. Here you can see. Let's click edit. Let's update this as well. Title already updated. Let's click backward button. Let's click forward button. So everything is working. Let's click pins. Let's delete. Already deleted the pin. Here is the pin modal window. Let's click pin board. Modal pops up. Let's delete. Let's cancel. It will not be deleted. Let's click OK. Pin already deleted from the pin list. Let's sign out. Sign up with new user. Let's give a new email. Giving a password. Again the same password. Sign up. Let's view the pin. Let's like this. Let's view this pin and edit this one. Let's sign out and sign in with another user. Click this pin. Let's like this, like already updated. Two users like this pin. Hi, I am Toufiq, a software developer. Today, I will show you how to turn any web application into single-page application within 2 minutes after using my Jquery plugin. In my demo, I will apply this plugin to a Node.js Express project. If I click any link of this application, you can see that the whole browser is refreshing. If I click new pin, the whole browser is refreshing, and if I search anything, the browser is still refreshing. Let's click new pin and try to submit this form. Let's give title, description, and select an image. If I submit this form, the whole browser is refreshing. You can see that. Even if I delete this pin, the browser refreshing. If I click backward and forward button, the results are the same. So let's turn this application into a single page application within 2 minutes. First of all, need to create a folder, SPA. You can give this name and place all my Jquery plugin source file here. Let's open in Explorer, go to this directory. Here need to place my plugin source files. Need to find out my plugin source, SPA. These are the files. Let's copy all this file, paste it here. So this file you will get from this course. Let's add few functionality in the middleware. app.use and the callback function. This function will work in every time before going to a function. So this will be invoked every time. Next, so that it can pass after executing. So here I am declaring that local's global variable Ajax. This can be accessed from anywhere, and the Ajax I am specifying request.xasr. The if true or false, that means if Ajax request, then true, otherwise false. And here I am specifying response set header to set the header location, and the header name is location and the value is URL. Go to layout.ejx file. Here I am writing few if else condition. Here if Ajax, we will get this value from the server, then do something and else to show the rest of the content. Percentage. So cut this portion and paste it at the end of this file. Now wrap this render body section with div tag and give an ID, toufiqElahy. First of all, let's copy this render body and place it inside if condition. If Ajax request, only that time the render body section will be invoked, and if not, then rest of the HTML tag element will be invoked. Let's copy this script and link section. Here this is jQuery Slim. We need jQuery plugin. This is jQuery CDN. Need to copy this portion and paste it here. Just replace it. Let's copy this portion, script and link, and paste it at the bottom of this div. Place it here. Here we need to specify my plugin jQuery file. The plugin here is toufiqElahySPA.js. Let's copy this portion of the source file and place it inside href, and the extension will be .css. This is the CSS file. Let's write jQuery code. This is the jQuery document ready state. Here we need to call the function of this plugin. So copy this ID, and this ID selector we need to specify with the function of my plugin. So my function is toufiqElahySPA, That's it. So we are done. This will be invoked from this plugin. Let's see the demo. Refresh. Okay, first of all, need to copy this entire script and place it here because integrity will not work with this version and crossword is in anonymous. Okay, we are done. Let's refresh the whole page. Now if I click any link, you can see that only partial section is updating and the URL is updating also. If I search, this is working as well. Let's submit this form. Description, choose image. If I submit this form, only partial portion is updating. If I delete, only partial portion updated. If I click new pin, save pins, everything is working. If I click backward and forward button, the render section the updating as well and the URL portion is updating correctly. Let's see the final demo of this project. Click new pin, save pins, details page is saved. Check save pins. You can see this new pin. Let's submit this form. Description, username. Let's choose an image. Submit. Scrolling down. Already added. Let's delete this one. So all pin organized nicely. Let's edit this pin. So edited. Let's search this pin list. Let's 5. So the title contents with 5 already displayed. Let's click backward and forward button. So everything is working as expected. Pins, saved pins. Close this left panel. Scrolling down.